welcome back, people, again to MG Sports. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. So, I have one particular topic to talk about, and this is something that we've seen time again in regards to any concacaf competition. All right, so let's do the YouTube stuff by hitting the like button, hit the subscribe button. We know that already. Anyways, let's just jump straight into the meat of the matter. What we're here to discuss, what I want to discuss in general. So this is the group, as we all know, the Gold Cup group. All right, so for those who don't know, for many years we have been partaking in any concacaf competition, and the general consensus is they want to see Mexico and USA in the final. And that is for many reasons. Sponsorship, viewership, broadcasting, all of these things. So these competitions tend to structure in a manner in which you will see those two teams technically should face off in the final. So you'll always see them at the opposite end of the table. Very rare. If I'm being honest, I can't even remember seeing both of these two teams playing in the semifinals together. Like they have a semifinals playoff. Very rare, if it ever happened. But from my knowledge, from what I've seen, and I could miss a lot, I cannot recall seeing Mexico and USA playing in the semifinal. Now, all that said, we just have to make it clear so the competition is not rigged, but structured in that particular manner. A clear indication that this competition is about the money more so than, should I say, fair play. Let's have a look at the Group C matchup. Now, we have Jamaica, Panama, Guadeloupe, Guatemala. Now, these teams are the teams for Group C. Now, many might say, boy, it's relatively a fair, relatively a fair draw and a fair match outline. Now, ask yourself the question, why couldn't Panama and Jamaica be the first game? Why do you think that Panama and Jamaica aren't the first game? Are Jamaica to play Panama for the first match? Or Panama don't play Jamaica for the first? Ching ching. They want on the final day, it should be a big event of who will top the group. That's what they want. They want it to be a big event. Who will top the group? They know. Despite many Jamaicans might say, boy, Guatemala can cause a problem. Guadeloupe can cause a problem. Many Jamaicans might believe that. CONCACAF, in their head, in their mind, they believe that Jamaica and Panama are the two teams who will exit this group. But the problem here is who will be top of the group when the final game ended. So them structured a way where the two teams them play the first two games them early out and the big match down between Jamaica and Panama. I see again, the ching ching. Now, when you consistently see these things happen time and time again, you start to wonder, are there other aspects of the competition where these things might structure benefit of the ching ching? Anyways, I'm not gonna lament on that. So We just want to bring that cross. We just want to highlight that to you guys so you can see it from. All right, so Jamaica, so June 16th, we have Panama versus Guadeloupe. So Jamaica first match would be against Guatemala. Then on June 16th, then 4 days later, we play Guadeloupe. Now the time for the Jamaica first match is gonna be at the time is 2200 7 o'clock local time for the first game. Second game will be at 16, that's 4:45. That's on June 20th. And then now the final game on the 24th of June, that would be 6 p.m. Okay, so PayPal Park for the second game, DHSP Stadium for the first game, and final game, Q2 Stadium, Austin, Texas. So that is what it looks like where the scheduling is concerned. I say again, Panama, Jamaica, the final game. So when you see these competition and the possibility we may see some either Central or South American referee, either Central or South American referees for that Panama and Jamaica game. So you know that go already. We never have to guess. We know exactly where that go. These things are structured, people. And the more we say it to you, the more I believe. You know, not feel like it's just random. I like just random. Just so me can't really go overboard by saying certain things. But we know it already. Anyways, I'm really interested to see what Jamaica have to offer in this Gold Cup. Can we really do something in this Gold Cup? Is this the time where we have the change? We're now going to lose the fear factor of these teams. Guys, it doesn't really matter which team we put out there. For some reason, the fear factor still remains. So we have to get over that fear of these. We definitely have to get over that fear. I still think we have the potential to top the group. I do believe we have the potential to top the group. The question is, will we top the group though? Leaving Panama for the final day. Just Guadeloupe, Guatemala. Let's say we have 6 points there. Let's say we have 6 points there, hypothetically speaking. Then Panama, the last game. A 1-0 victory, like we did the last game, cannot happen. Did that in the Nations League. Cannot happen. We don't know. But I believe we can. We really don't know, but I believe we can definitely do something this time around. And finishing top, I book probably Canada one of them team, eh? And semi-finals. Probably. I don't know, I don't think so. We finish top. I don't think so. I'm tired if you face Mexico and USA now. Mexico and USA go face each other. Well, we know CONCACAF now go to that. Anyways, those are the fixtures, people. So big up on themselves, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. We know this thing go. Me not gonna say it, but we know what go on. Enjoy yourself, people. Soon again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out. God bless. Boom. I mean, outside. Yo, what?